Hey everyone, so today we are doing another one of my little try on hauls where I bought a bunch of stuff you guys recommend me on Twitter and on Facebook, and I'm basically just gonna try it on for you in this video and I'm gonna let you know what I think of it. Just like last time, there's like a few things in here which I love the look of and then a lot of things that I do not like the look of whatsoever. I will link below my previous video like this. It was on Misguided and you guys literally gave me the best feedback, so thank you so much, and I hope you guys like this one just as much. This is a really awkward kind of crop. Like I feel like I need to like bend down here and that's a lot better. If you're wondering where this dress here is from, I bought it off Ruby. What the heck is happening? I bought it off Ruby a little while ago. I shouldn't actually like be bothering doing this since I'm just about to get changed, but whatever. So I just went through everything and pretty sure like everything except one thing is a dress or a romper or a jumpsuit. So I didn't really get any tops and skirts. Well, I did, I got one skirt. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you thumbs up and let me know down below in a comment where I should shop on next with your guys' help. I loved filming my last one, so let's just jump in and get started. First of all, we have this size 12 ASOS design wrap play suit with tie side in the color rust. Here is how it looks on the model. I'll do a little pop-up as always. Yeah, 32 pounds and it looks actually really cute. I love the color. It looks like it's a really nice fit, so hopefully it looks kind of like this on me. Let's give it a go. Okay, so definitely make sure you do it up nice and tight because your boob literally will flop out the side if it's not. I'm definitely very happy that I went with a size 12 because if I went for a size 10, it would have been very tight on the arms. This fabric has literally no stretch whatsoever. So yeah, keep that in mind if you are going to order this. I would get your size or even a size up. Because at the moment I'm kind of hovering between like a 10 and a small 12, like depending how it fits. But honestly, like I'm pretty obsessed with this. I love the color. I think it's so beautiful. The fabric is quite nice and like quite thick. Like it doesn't feel like cheap material. And I feel like it just fits really nicely. Like it just is a very flattering shape. I like how the shorts aren't like too tight. To get into this, it's just got like a nice zip up the back. It feels like a good quality zip. It didn't feel like dodgy when I was doing it up or anything like that. And I like how it's like a plunge neckline, but it's not necessarily like super revealing at the same time. Like it's not too low or too wide or anything. It's just like a nice cut. The color I'm obsessed with though. That's like the biggest thing. Like I just love the color. It's so comfortable. There's so much room around my stomach and everything where I wouldn't feel like uncomfortable if I was like eating a lot of food or anything. It's not too short at the back. Like I just think this is quite a nice little outfit, especially with a nice deep fake tan. Like I feel like it's really cute. So thumbs up for this one. I am a huge fan. Comment below, yes or no. Next up we have this little spotted number. I got this in a size 10. This is the ASOS Design Soft Tux jumpsuit in ditzy spot print. So Linda sent me this one. I can't see what the price was, but in the title I'll let you know how much I spent total, and most of these items should still be online. I'll try to put links to each product down below, like so you can actually just click straight to the product. This looks really cute on the model. I feel like it's one of those pieces where it could go real bad, like especially on me, like just the fit of it. So fingers crossed, let's try it on and see how it goes. You know what, you guys? I did not think I would like this much. I'm glad I got a size 10. It's like pretty form-fitting, which I think is like kind of important, just because I feel like if it was very loose around my waist it could end up looking kind of frumpy, and also it's quite big in the chest area. Like I definitely need some kind of tape or like bralette under here because it's like pretty big up here, but it fits perfectly around my waist and hips, and I love how it fits on my bum, on my thighs. Like it's just like the perfect fit. The fabric's not like stretchy, it's so soft though. Like it feels like really good quality. I love the little cinching underneath the waist. I don't know if you'll be able to see on camera, but it just kind of like puffs out just a little bit through here, which I really like because it helps to kind of like, I don't know, conceal like the pooch, you know. And then the length, like for me, this is so good because usually things are too long or too short, but it's like the perfect kind of like cropped length where I could wear like heels or sneakers or something and it looks quite like chic. I don't know, what do you guys think? Like I did not think I would like this that much. I looked at it, I was like, this could be a bit dodgy. I love the fabric. I love the arms. The arms are so comfy. As you guys know, a lot of things can fit a little bit too tight around my arms because that's where I carry more weight. But there's actually like a bit of room. I love the little gold detailings. Like, I think this is cute. And it's got this like tuxedo kind of collar as well, which I don't want to mess with too much on camera because like I said, it's kind of loose through here. So yeah, I'd probably just like chuck on a black bra. Like, I'll just be honest, it pretty much would cover most of it. You could even wear one of those like plunging bras, if you know what I mean. So yeah, and it's got pockets, which duh, like amazing. Oh my god, I love this. I'm so stoked. Wow, thank you to whoever picked this. By the way, to get into it, like, so this can unclip. You just do up these 2 buttons, and then there is a zip through here, which you just obviously zip up like pins. I am so stoked with this. I'm gonna take this to Tokyo with me. I feel like I can get some cute like Tokyo pics in this outfit with some like huge gold earrings, I don't know, and like a cute like black coat. I'm so happy. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Okay, what's next? This is going so well. Okay. Oh, this one looks a bit iffy. So this is the plunge lace play suit in gold. I got a size 12. It's actually the Misguided brand. So it was 44 New Zealand dollars. This is how it looks on the model. So I don't know. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so here's this one. Once again, this one has like a zip closure up the back. It's got a little hook and eye up the very top so you can like shut it. I don't know how I feel about this particular garment, play suit. Love that. I mean, this would make for a very cute picture. I just don't know how I feel about this style on me because, I don't know, it just seems to make me look even more up and down than I already am. Like, I usually like something to cinch me at the waist, but then again, I could always get like a gold belt or something and just like through there. It fits quite nicely. I feel like I probably could have almost gone it down a size just so it was tighter on my boobs and stuff and made my boobs look better. But then I wouldn't want it to be too tight around my stomach as well. Like, there's definitely room. I don't know, I feel like it's pretty true to size. The length is pretty short, like it's not showing my bum, but almost. I like it more than I thought I would. I'll say that much. Like, it's basically a nude lining with this overmesh of yellow lace. I think it's a little wee bit see-through, so you'd want to wear like nude undies with it. I don't know, I feel like I could make it work. Maybe with like a cute necklace as well, because I feel like, I don't know, but then would it be too much? How would you guys wear this? Like, what would you wear with it? I feel like it's more of like a daytime play suit. I don't think I'd wear this at nighttime. I think more of a daytime look with sandals or something, like gold sandals. I don't know. I'm not too sure about this one. Comment below and let me know, do you think I should keep this or do you think I should return it? And if you think I should keep it, like, how would you guys style this piece? I don't know. I just feel like it's not really doing anything for me. It's not the worst thing. It's not the best thing. I'm very on the fence about this one. I'm not too sure if I'll actually wear it. So, like, please help me. Anyway, that's that one. It's not terrible. It's actually, like, pretty nice quality. I'd say the worst part about it is that this lining is pretty friggin' thin. But, like, the actual structure feels okay. The zip felt good. It wasn't, like, a dodgy zip or anything like that. And it was, like, easy to go up and down. Unlike some of those other things from my Misguided haul, which were, like, completely dodgy. I feel like all the stitching and stuff is really good too. Like, this feels nice and thick around my boobs. Like, it doesn't feel like, you know, it's gonna explode anywhere. Next up, this one is very intriguing. The pattern is very interesting. It's not really something I would have chosen myself. It's called the Satin Polka Dot Twist Front Flared Dress. I got a size 12. It looks really cute on the model. So Ems sent me this. This is how it looks. There's another Misguided piece. I have little faith that it's going to look like this on me, but let's put it on and have a look. Alright, I feel like I should have gone down a size with this one. It's a little bit like frumpy around my waist, like I wish it was cinched in a bit more. Also, it would probably be almost impossible to freaking get into if it was a size down. It's got one of those zips down the sides here. I just feel like it's a little bit like frumpy and cheap looking. I don't know if it's the color or the material. It's kind of like a satin material. It sits a little bit funny on me. I don't know what it is. It is very comfortable, but I don't know, it's just random. I don't know, what do you guys think? Like, I don't know, I feel like it clings to really bad places as well. Like, it kind of like, as soon as like you see my stomach or something, it just like sticks to it. It's really weird. And this bit in here keeps like flicking out, like you'd need to tape it down. Yeah, I'm definitely not sold on this one. I feel like it looks much better on the model than on me. Like on me, it's just kind of like a sack. I don't know, it's just not really doing anything for my figure. It just looks like a pile of fabric that I just like chucked over my shoulders and pinned in the middle or something. So this one is probably going to be a no from me. Let's go to the next one because I'm not feeling great right now in this outfit. I think I'd like the color more as well if it was just plain, like rather than with the brown and white dots on it. I don't know. This here is in a size 12 also. This is the ASOS Design soft mini dress with waist detail in aubergine. This looks really cute. So the person that sent this to me obviously lives in Canada because it was 73 Canadian dollars. I think Melissa sent these. This is her page just here. That's how it looks on the model. It looks really, really, really pretty. So I hope this is a good one because I feel like this would be really nice for like evening events and nice dinners and stuff like that. This is a hard favorite. I just wish I got a size smaller. It's way too big in my boobs. It's way too big in my waist. It's just moving around and it's quite frumpy. But I love the actual like dress. It's so cute. I'm so upset I didn't get a different size. I feel like I'm gonna have to reorder this. I don't even think I could like save it with a belt either because it just, I don't know. Like, could I get this taken in at a dressmaker maybe? Just so it's nice and tight on my waist. I love it, love all the little ruffly layers. I think it's so cute with like cute pair of heels. I love the sleeves. I love everything except the fit. So definitely get maybe a size down in this one. Or like this is a 12, right? I'm like a 10 to a small 12. I don't know, like I would probably go down a size in this one. It's so like I'm so gutted. I love this color. I'm obsessed with this color. I think it is the most flattering shade of purple I've ever put on. Like it's so beautiful. Maybe not with these nails, but it's so cute. I'm so gutted. I'm hoping that this will actually fit one of my friends because I feel like it would be the cutest friggin' dress. I feel like even if you were pregnant, oh my god, it would be so cute. Like if you had like a baby bump, like that would be, oh, it's so cute. I don't know, I feel like a cute little like fairy in it. I don't know. I love floaty stuff like this. By the way, the back is just like a little, I didn't fake tan my back today. I fake tanned everywhere except my back because Hamish wasn't home. So don't judge me, but like yeah, that's how it looks. It's just got like a little hook and eye at the very top as well, which is quite handy. This is the next item from Lena. Now, this is the ASOS Design open back long sleeve mid-axi dress with a split sleeve detail. Looks amazing on the model, right? I feel like Princess Fiona of Shrek. It looks hideous on me. Completely awful. So I got a size 12, I think. No, size 10. Fits perfectly. I wouldn't have wanted to go any smaller. I think it fits very true to size. The only place it really matters is like right here. Once again, I should have definitely tanned my back today, but oh well. It's just like a tiny little zip in the back and then the very top it just ties up with like a lace. And at the front, like I literally just look like Thumbelina or like, I don't even know, Peter Pan, the fairy godmother of Sleeping Beauty maybe. The sleeves are like this, like, I don't know, I just love the color. Love the color. Just do not love the actual fit. It drags on the ground because I'm not tall enough for it. And then there's like this underneath piece which is like a very awkward length. Like, am I tap dancing? I don't know. I feel like you need to be tall as fuck with the most perfect slim body to be able to pull this off. Like, it looks so awkward on me. I literally look like the queen when she dresses up in her like all one color outfits, and I don't know. It's not ideal, guys. I don't really like this one, so let's take this off, please. Next up, we have snake skin, which I'm kind of excited about. ASOS Design ruched snake print lace mini dress in a UK size 12. Amber sent me this, £45, and she said, I think this would be something cool to try, like with some strappy black heels. I totally agree. I think it looks so cute on the model. But once again, it's going to be that classic situation of, is it going to look like that on me or nah? So I'm definitely not that body type whatsoever. So let's have a look. I don't usually wear like fit and flare kind of styles, like how it fits all the way down to the thigh and then has like a little ruffle. So I'm kind of interested to see how it looks. I'm probably glad I got a size 12. I like how it looks on the bum and everything, and you know, it's nice and fitted through here. I just don't really like how it sits on my stomach. I feel like it's kind of obvious. All the ruffling kind of like sits underneath my stomach and makes my stomach look bigger. Maybe if I chucked on some Spanx or something, you know, but it's not as bad as I thought. I definitely don't think it's the you can kind of see my undies, like semi see-through. I wish this fabric, like the flary bits was like through the waist, so it kind of like went in and out and made me look more hourglass shaped. I just feel like it's not the right shape garment for my figure, you know. I do like the way it sits up here. I think it's quite cute. And I love the fabric, like the actual like look of it. It's kind of like a net with snakeskin on it. It's like semi-sheer, but through here it's obviously got like a lining. So it's cute. It's not, yeah, not my favorite kind of style of dress for sure. It would definitely be better for me if it was like a crossover or something to give me more of a waist and put less emphasis on my like stomach and hips, you know. But that's just me. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think I should keep it or get rid of it? Probably get rid of it, I think. I love the fabric though. I wish this came in a different like style in the same fabric, because I just love the color. I love the look of it, everything. I think it's real flattering. It's just this. We've only got a couple things left. So this here is a petite style, so for shorter people. So I got a size 12. I didn't know if the fit was different. I thought size 12 would be safer. Boohoo petite top stitch jumpsuit in black. And this is definitely something I would never pick for myself. So Mel sent this to me and she said, I feel like this would suit your body shape. Here's how it looks on the model. You can't really see on there, but it does have like a contrast stitching. So let's chop it on. Chop it on? Pop it on. Chuck it on. Chuck, pop, chop. Okay, so thank God I got a size 12 because I would not have fit a size 10. This is just literally like a spandex, not spandex, but like thick, stretchy material. So you don't have any zips or anything. You just pull it on and hope for the best. It's got pockets, which is amazing. I actually quite like it, like especially once I put on the belt. Like when I put it on without the belt, I was like, oh, it's a little bit like up and down, but the belt really helps to kind of give me some shape. I really like the thick straps. I think the neckline is very, very pretty. And on the back, there's no other stitching. It's literally just your belt. Fits nice on your bum, doesn't flatten you out or anything. The length is like kind of awkward, but I looked at the picture, it's also kind of awkward on the model as well. So I think I'd do what she did and just kind of like pop on some strappy heels or something, if you can see, just to like fill in the gap a little bit. It's kind of like that awkward cropped length, except on me, like I've obviously got thicker ankles and it's not as loose on my ankles. But then even with like sneakers or something, it could look cute, like chunky sneakers or boots or something. But I actually think I will keep this. I don't mind it, and it's actually very comfortable because it is literally just like stretchy material. What do you guys think? Do you love it or hate it? I actually think this has ended up being one of my favorites from this video. Alright, the last thing, I'm gonna have to go pop on a t-shirt. This is it here. It is the ASOS design button-up pinafore mini skirt, and this is definitely not really my style, but hey, you guys wanted me to buy it. I actually got a couple of people send this to me. So much of the stuff I tried to like get it, but it wasn't even in my size, by the way, like the stuff that you guys sent me. Here it is. I've seen many people wear something like this. Not sure if it's your style, from Gretel. So that's how it looks on the model. It looks so cute, but yeah, let's see how it looks on me. Okay, I'm pretty obsessed with this. I'm glad I got a size 12. It's quite small fitting. Like there's no stretch in this fabric whatsoever. Like there's just enough room for me to move in this. If I got a size 10, I think it would have been like too small. So definitely go like upsize maybe. I think it's pretty cute. Like I kind of don't like how it sits over my boobs because it kind of like goes to the other side of my boobs, which looks really awkward. Just need to like pull it up periodically and just kind of like sit it over top so it's kind of more straight. Maybe better for people that have smaller boobs, but I still really like it. It's so comfy. I love the color. I love the buttons. It's got like tortoiseshell buttons. It's really cute. I mean, maybe a different top underneath, maybe just like a t-shirt or something. I know this is the first top I found in my drawer. I like how it crosses over in the back and it's so floaty, it's so soft. It's not see-through. I love the length. It's like the perfect mini skirt length where it's not too short, not too long. I'm obsessed. The only thing is this. That annoys me. I feel like I almost need to like friggin' clip it in or something. I don't know. It's one of those times where boobs are not the shit, you know? Sometimes I just wish I didn't have boobs. But then when I didn't have boobs, I wanted boobs, and then I bought boobs. You know? Anyway, that's the last thing. I think it's really cute. So I think my top 3 picks would probably be the rust dress from the very start, or like play suit or whatever it was, the jumpsuit, the polka dot jumpsuit, and then probably the other jumpsuit too, the previous jumpsuit in the end. I don't know, I think those were probably my favorites. Let me know down below what your favorites were. Let me know if you think I should return anything or donate anything, like what were your favorites and not so favorites. And once again, please let me know where I should do my next haul from. Because yeah, in my last misguided one, you guys, like so many of you guys said ASOS, so that's why I did ASOS. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure you thumbs up and subscribe and notify, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.